Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento 2. So today we are going to learn how to remove the wish list from this menu. Okay, so currently its wish list icon is there. We have already added the wish list, custom wish list here. So I want to think like I want to remove this wish list from this modal pop-up, right? So how we are going to remove this? It's very easy, very simple. Okay, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and hit like to this video. You can also buy coffee for me also. So let's see how we are going to check this. So it's very easy. Go to your module which I have created previously. You need to just pass the reference block wish list link remove true. Okay, so you have passed the wish list link remove true. When I flush the cache, okay, you can flush the cache and check. Okay, reload this. Now you can see that the wishlist link is removed successfully from the this menu, right? So because we have already created this one, so we need to remove this from this pop-up. So this is how we can do that. Okay, so any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a great